back to my channel. Let's see it. And my name is Charisse. Today we are going to do an unboxing of the Ipsy Glam bag. So if you're not familiar with the Ipsy Glam bag, it is a monthly subscription for $12 a month. You can get about 5 to 6 sample, sometimes less size sample products inside a makeup bag, and occasionally you even get a full-size product. So it's actually a really fun monthly package. It always feels like Christmas to me when I get it. So I have opened my bag and look at this adorable makeup bag that it came in. If you don't know who this is, it's Betty Boop. She was a really famous cartoon character back in the day. The back of it is sequined, and Betty Boop always wore a black sequin dress with some like red accents here and there. So inside the bag, when you open this bag, you get a card inside, and within it, it has a description of all of your products inside. And it doesn't have prices on here, but at the top it says that you should be getting products worth over $50. And I think that it's possibly accurate. Again, remember, these are samples, and you're not expecting to get full-size products out of this bag. But the bag alone is probably worth $10 or $15, and then you're gonna get some other products too. So I think it's pretty accurate, and you're only paying $12 for this bag. So $50 for $12, it's still a pretty good return. Okay, let's get started on the products inside this bag. So the first thing that we have is the NYX Professional Makeup Soft Matte Lip Cream in Copenhagen. It's a really dark red. And you know what? I am not mad about this at all. It says this rich berry hued liquid lipstick might be the smoothest, creamiest matte lip color you've tried. The formula is highly pigmented, buildable, and doesn't feel heavy on your lips, so feel free to layer it. And bonus, it's super long lasting, so you won't have to worry about touch-ups. So that sounds intriguing. I like these smaller size ones. They're perfect for throwing into your purse and just using it here and there when you feel like it, and it helps to you get the taste or feel for the lipstick and decide if you want to buy the full-size product. So it's a good one. And let's face it, a liquid lipstick like this would actually last for quite a while, because you're not going to wear this color every day necessarily. So here's the color. It's a real pretty color. I'm going to try it. Let's see how I look. So yeah, this is, I totally believe that they're right. This is a very pigmented and yet buildable color, and it feels really creamy on. I am wearing a lip gloss underneath already, so that might be attributing somewhat to this, but most matte lipsticks feel like they dry really quickly, and they get this kind of like, I don't know, cringy for lack of a better word, a cringy kind of feel to them, and you just can't wait till you can put some lip gloss on. So this one says it's a soft matte, so maybe it might not have that yucky feeling. We'll see. Okay, so next, let's move on. Next we have the Murad Clarifying Cleanser. So here we go. And this is a pretty good size sample. I mean, you could use this for a good month or more if you washed your face with it morning and night. It says that it has a 1.5% encapsulated salicylic acid to combat acne and breakouts immediately and over time. Interesting. Green tea extract helps calm irritation for clearer, healthier looking skin. The best type, it's gentle enough for all skin types, even sensitive. So it does give you a tip that you should use a small amount of the cleanser. So don't do what I've done before in the past and go and put a big old large dollop of creamer or cleanser on your hand. It's not a good idea. Just put a little bit and wash your face. Next, we have a limited edition mascara it's a Betty Boop X Ipsy Blink and Wink mascara. Oh, it's just a real pretty black color with a nice standard wand. I'm not terribly crazy about these kind of wands. It kind of makes my eyes look like my eyelashes clumped together a little bit, but who knows, maybe this particular mascara won't have that kind of formula. I can always hope. And this will go great with my Betty Boop eyeshadow palette I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. So that mascara is supposed to have a dramatic lift while separating and defining. It does not say that it is waterproof, so I'm pretty sure it's not. But that's alright. It's still a nice mascara. So, I mean, can't go wrong with a little sample. We'll try it out and hopefully you'll have gorgeous eyelashes and we won't have eyelashes that look like Betty Boop. We'll see. Okay, so now the next product is a Kanuka CBD hydrating balm or lip balm. It is CBD derived from hemp. It's supposed to be safe for all ages and has strong anti-inflammatory properties to heal your skin. The lightweight nourishing lip balm is made with CBD and manuka honey to calm inflammation and soothe dry, chapped lips. So I'm sure that this is a great chapstick. It just smells like kind of like tea tree oil or something, you know, slightly medicinal, in a good herbal way, not a cringy way. But it has CBD in it, and you know, we have surprise drug tests at my work, and I do not want to get a surprise drug test where I might happen to cause a problem. Maybe this won't trigger it, maybe it will. I don't know, but I'm not going to chance it. So last but not least, the Crown Brush CB202 Pro Chisel Fluff and Precision Crease Brush. Goodness, that's a big mouthful for a little brush, isn't it? So we have here, oh, it's double-sided. Let's see. I do like Crown. It's a pretty nice brand. I received some, I'm trying to get it to show you the name, but I can't. So this has a really nice little eyeshadow brush on the top, and then on the bottom it has the pointy brush. So this is actually a pretty decent brush that would be convenient for throwing in your bag if you're wanting to go to the gym and just like take your makeup and fix it on after you work out, or go on a weekend trip or something. You don't want to take all your brushes. This would be a good multi-purpose tool. So I am excited about this brush, and I like all of the products that I got in here except for the lips, the chapstick. I would not use that. Maybe I'm being naive and think that, you know, bad things could happen if I use this product, but I'm just not going to chance it. I'm not going to chance my job for possibly or what if. So I think my favorite product out of all probably is the NYX matte, soft matte lipstick and the Murad cleanser. Oh, and the bag is too adorable, isn't it? So altogether, is this worth $12? Absolutely. There's no denying that it's worth $12 or more. And am I glad that I have this bag? Yes, I am. I'm quite glad, and I look forward to sharing some of my goodies with my friends. So if you're interested in the Ipsy Glam bag, please go to the link below and sign up for it. And if you are interested in my channel, I would love to have you subscribe and join us for the next video. And also it would be really cool if you could hit like for this particular video so I know if you're interested in watching more like this. So have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.